Hello everyone, it's Ron with Frontline Animal Removal. If you're like me, you sometimes get bored. So let's spend some boring time together doing something boring. Here's a board, a boring board. Let's analyze this boring board. It may not be so boring after all. So what do we got? This is a 1x8 piece of cedar that is approximately 8.5 feet long. I removed this off a house earlier because, well, we have this nice big hole here. But what can we tell by analyzing this? Well, we have weathered stain. See, it kind of flakes pretty easily. See, flakes very easily. But we notice in this whole area, it's flaked heavily. You know, we get close, we see scratches. So something keeps jumping onto here and running into the hole. This edge of the hole and along here, it's very dirty. So something's been repeatedly going in here, getting the oil from the fur on there and dirtying it up. And up here it's a little fresher. You know, something was chewing on it recently. So this is the outside. Now right here, we got some woodpecker damage. Up there, we got some woodpecker damage. So more than likely, woodpecker made a hole, probably like that, right here. Then a smart squirrel said, hey, look at that hole. I bet I can get into the house. So the squirrel made it bigger. And that's where I came in. I was there to remove the squirrel. This was on the corner. So let's flip it around and look at the back side. Now the back side isn't exactly clean. It's not exactly dirty. But if you look, you see it's all chewed. And then right here is chewed quite a bit. So for whatever reason, the animal just kept on chewing here, probably to help them go down inside. And right here, got some more chewing. And then right here, we have some dirt and residue. There's even a couple little feathers in there. So what I anticipate happened is woodpecker made an initial hole here, climbed down and built a nest. That's why there's feathers down here. Then a squirrel came along, made this bigger, and made more room down here by chewing right here. Now when we get down here, there's no scratch or claw marks, nothing happening. So this was the bottom of the hole. But the other thing that is notable is we have scratch marks going up. They're very fine, small scratch marks, but something was crawling up this way. And what had happened was, whatever was crawling up this way eventually made it up into the attic of the house and was doing some running around. And we got a lot of scratch marks right in this area. They're small, and we were catching small little flying squirrels, but those are small little scratch marks from the critter. So that is the inside of the opening. Oh, and this greasy looking stuff here, this area, that's from animals' fur, as they would squeeze up and down through here. Well, not so much this, but this right here. That's just some oil from the fur that's transferred onto the wood. And that oil helps keep them dry in the wet and keeps them warm in the winter. So that's why we always see these grease spots and oil spots on wood. So thank you for taking time to be bored with me by looking at a board. So how boring is that? Thank you.